Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're unboxing the Huawei MateBook X Pro. This has Dolby Atmos sound system, Intel inside, 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 16 gigabytes of RAM, a ginormous trackpad, and a touchscreen. It's got a 3x2 screen design, so you can fit 2 pages at the same time. This has a fingerprint scanner here for security, and then also a 1 megapixel front-facing camera right here on the keyboard. You can see the speaker grill on either side. There are 4 microphones and 4 speakers embedded on the computer. So there's the left side, and then here's the right side. And now we'll go underneath. This has a NVIDIA GeForce MX150 graphics card. Runs Windows 10 from Microsoft, and you can get this currently available from Microsoft. Okay, so there's the computer. It's quite thin. We'll show you the 2 ports on the left side. Thunderbolt 3 right here. You even have a headphone jack. And then on the right side, you have a standard USB type A port. And look how thin this computer is. And the screen has a 91% body to screen ratio, so that's quite a bit of screen right there, almost bezel-less. Continuing inside the box, we have 2 smaller boxes. This one is the power adapter. This is a 65 watt Huawei Supercharge power adapter. It says power delivery through USB-C. And then in this box, we have a couple of accessories. The USB Type-C cord right there. And an adapter, USB Type-C adapter with a USB Type-A port, VGA, HDMI, and another USB Type-C. So this was the unboxing of the Huawei MateBook X Pro, 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigabytes of NVMe SSD storage space with Windows 10, Intel inside, and Dolby Atmos. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter.